Hey guys, Brian here with another foundation repair tip of the day. So in our last episode we talked about the height of the retaining wall when you're designing it. Now we're going to talk about the keyed in footing portion of your retaining wall. So you want to make sure your footing on your retaining wall is keyed into the hillside. The reason being is because all the downward pressure from the soil and the slope is going to allow the retaining wall to be not top heavy or want to rotate over. If you keyed it in too short, all that soil that's going to be pushing laterally isn't going to be able to be counterproductive pushing back against it. So the key is to key it in far enough that you're able to go ahead and compound this force here and laterally so you're not rotating your retaining wall over. So in our upcoming episodes, we're going to talk about how we fix failing retaining walls. So stay tuned and we'll see you soon.